Hello world, welcome to my YouTube tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to create a multiplication table in Java. So I'm gonna teach you how to create a multiplication table in Java, which you're gonna put in any number and then it's gonna print the multiplication table for you in the console. So let's get started. So let's get to our IDE. I'm using Eclipse IDE. So we need to print a multiplication table in Java and on the console. So first thing first, we need to import the packages. So we're going to do java.util. You see the .util.star. The asterisk means that you have to import all the other packages in this class. You import everything in the UT class. So we need scanner, causing new scanner system.in. So in as we want to print quite a little logic to print the multiplication code, so we need to write a code that's going to ask the user to input any value, and any number that the user input, we are going to present to the user the multiplication table. So we need to print the message on the console to ask the user to input any number. From when the user input the number, we are going to print the multiplication table. So we'll go system.out.print line. Please enter any number. And we will print the multiplication. No, we don't even need that. So we'll just ask the user to enter any number, and then we're gonna present to the user the multiplication table. So in order to print, so this system.out.print line is gonna ask the user to enter any number. So when the user enter any number, we need to store the value. So we need to store the input from the user. So int x equals to scan plus next int. No, plus next int. So this stores the input value, value from the user. So after getting the input from the user, we need to print the multiplication table. So we have declared a variable. When the user input the value over here, then we are going to store it in this x value. So we need a loop in order for us to print the multiplication table for the user. So let's write the loop. Int I equals to 1, int is 10. So we're gonna print the multiplication table from 1 to 10. I plus plus. So this loop is gonna loop from 1 to 10. So whenever the loops run, so we want to declare a variable known as results, which is gonna, whenever it runs, it's gonna carry out a multiplication. It's gonna carry out a calculation. So it's gonna multiply whatever the user enter, which is the value, for example 2, multiply the value x times I. And after that, we want to print it on the console system.out.print line. Oh, print line. So we want to print x. This is what we want to print on the console. As a result. So this our system that out of print line is gonna print the output on the console. So let's run our code to see if we run perfectly well as planned. Okay, so let's go. Click on run code. Okay. So it's gonna ask us to enter any number. For example, let's say enter 2. Here we go. It has printed out the multiplication table in the console. So it's very easy. It's a very easy code. So this loop prints. It loops from 1 to 10. Whenever it runs, it multiplies I. For example, start with I times I, whatever the user enter, which is X. For example, I enter 2, you take 2, multiply 1, and then it prints. And then it loops again to go to the next one. 2 multiplies 3, or 2 multiplies 2 and print, 2 multiply 3 and print, 2 multiply 4 and print. That's how it runs up to get to 10. Let's try another number again. Oops. 1. Let's enter 19. See? This is the print out our multiplication table in Java. Very simple. Alright. Thank you very much for your precious attention. See you in another video.